These pages can be found on the Hedley&Bennett.com website. Open up vacuum cleaner bag and remove this part. Cut the top and bottom off. Now gently open the bag and try not to rip the filament on the inside of the bag. See, there's 2 layers. Try to keep them intact. Once you've successfully opened the bag up, cut straight down the middle of this hole. Okay, now I've made that cut. So now you want to lay this open, like so. Push that out of the way. Lay this down on your table, and then you're going to take your template that you've cut out of cardboard, and you're going to start laying it down on this, and then tracing around the whole outline, and keep doing it, and then that's your pattern, and those are the pieces that you're going to put inside the mask. All right, now I've marked all my pieces. I'm getting about 11 pieces out of one vacuum bag. Now I'm going to cut them out. Once they're cut out, they're going to be kind of a thin, almost tissue paper on one side, and then the other side's the paper. Keep it intact. Keep it together. That's one piece, even though there's 2 layers. Okay, now you have the mask, and there's a flap on the inside. You see that? You're gonna flick it open. That tissue paper side, you're gonna stick it into the mask. Pop the nose part up into the top nose part of the mask. Flatten it out. And there you go. There's your finished mask. When you're done with it, you're gonna take this out, throw away the filter on the inside, and wash the fabric in hot water. Cycle with soap. Enjoy. Now I'll show you how to make a filter for your mask using a coffee filter. Take your template that you've made out of cardboard and lay it on top of the coffee filter like so. Looks like you'll get about 2 out of each coffee filter. So now using the template, I've traced around it, and now I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so like before, with the coffee filters, you end up with 2 pieces. You're going to take the mask, open it up, see the flap on the inside, place the coffee filter in, flatten it out, close it up, and there you have it. There's your mask with the coffee filter. And when you're done, you're going to want to remove this piece. Once you've used it, throw this part away, and then you're going to wash this in a hot cycle with soap in your washing machine. Enjoy.